Hey guys, Max and Luke here, well, as known as No Limits and Max Age 2280, and as you can see, it is raining. Yeah, it's Grand Theft Auto style. I've been playing a bit of Grand Theft Auto lately on Xbox, not live. I don't have live, which sucks. So yeah, I'm hopefully going to get, Modern Warfare 3 for my PS3. So that will be nice. And yeah, I'm bringing you inside my car, my messy car. Well, my mom's car. Max, stop hiding.
Can you see my eye?
Yes, my dog is hiding.
Oh my god.
So, yeah, I'm 12.
Failing.
I'm 12, so Max, do your deep voice.
I know.
In the eye. Max, don't blink. Don't blink. Oh, yeah. Hang on. Now I'm gonna do mine.
Yeah, let me do it. Let me hold it.
Sup?
Oh my god. Alright. So long.